Located in the highly sought-after and conveniently located Barrington Ridge community, this immaculate lakefront residence offers a perfect blend of modern upgrades, thoughtful design, and effortless Florida living. With a brand new roof, 2025, and impact windows and doors installed in 2023, this home delivers both peace of mind and energy efficiency for years to come. From the moment you step inside, you'll appreciate the clean, gently lived-in home. The open concept great room and dining area are bright and inviting, ideal for everyday living and entertaining alike. The well-appointed kitchen features Corian countertops, 42-wood cabinetry, a stone backsplash, and stainless steel appliances, including a French door refrigerator. An eat-in dining area and breakfast bar provide flexible space for casual meals or gathering with guests, while the adjacent laundry room adds convenience. Designed with privacy in mind, the split-bedroom floor plan offers a spacious primary suite complete with a walk-in closet and serene views. Additional features include in-wall pest control, a radiant barrier for improved energy efficiency, central vacuum, and ceiling fans throughout. Step outside to the extended rear patio and take in the stunning panoramic views of the lake, preserve, and greenbelt, a peaceful setting perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Barrington Ridge residents enjoy access to a community pool with dual water slides, a playground, and park amenities. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, top-rated schools, and just a short drive to the Gulf Coast world-renowned beaches, this home truly checks every box. Immaculate, upgraded, and move-in ready, this is a must-see.